How to find the difference quotient for a linear function? We will work to find f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Keep in mind h never equal to 0. Let us work on an example given f of x equal to 3x plus 7. To find the difference we will do one step at a time. To find f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, again keep in mind h never equal to 0. First step we will find f of x plus h using substitution, then we must write our answer in simplest form to be easier to work with later on. Second step we subtract what we have now from previous step minus the original function f of x. We simplify the difference by combining like terms. Next and last step is to divide the difference in simplest form by h. Here is the original function f of x equal to 3x plus 7, and here is the difference quotient formula we need to apply. We will substitute x plus h for x in the original function. Now we have f of x plus h will be equal to 3 times x plus h plus 7. Simplify and remove the parentheses. We distribute 3 times x plus 3 times h plus 7. Simplify by subtracting what we have now minus the original function 3x plus 7. Keep in mind minus will change all the signs inside the parentheses. Simplify again 3x minus 3x. Cancel out 7 minus 7 cancel out. The numerator we have after simplifying is 3h. Last step we divide by h to have the difference quotient in simplest form equal to 3. It is easy to find the difference quotient as long as you do one step at a time and always simplify your work. If you liked the video and helped you to understand, subscribe to the channel and watch more video as it will be posted. See you next lesson.